Okay, if you want to see some behind the scene, this is it. And I kneel down because this light is tall, not the light. This camera or iPhone is tall, and this is on the floor, so I have to kneel down and press the button. And you have seen that I have a couple of frames that is missing. And I feel each letter need to be cutted, so I cut each letter to show the respect for the labor in it. It's very much inspired by my students. When I see how good they do it, it put me on shame. It's just put me on a very humble and very, very inspired mood. So I took back this large paper. You see, that's the construction paper, and this is a much larger size of paper. It's much easier to do. It's quite, yeah, this is not a very good family hobby, and you have to have a very tolerant family member, husband or wife, to allow you to do all this mess. I am very grateful, and I have learned a lot. Make sure you get each frame as you plan pressed, and so I started to do the O, and then cutting the center, very hard to cut. So you see the B, and it's very hard to cut. O, I just do a circle. It's a kind of more fun. Ah, what a labor. A whole hour or maybe more. So I think I will keep on doing this paper stuff, and it's not too many things. If you start to do clay or other things, it will be just too much. I still within the controllable cost, controllable material, controllable of space, I feel. You are different. Every flower is different. You may have a perfect flower, you have a unique color, or you have all colors and all shapes. We are all different. And this is so much I learned from my students. I remember there was one time when I do mass presentation, I tell the parents, I encourage everyone to develop. Each one is different. Some can go ahead. Some need more time to digest, to learn. Take your time, because every flower blossoms on its own term, blossoms on its own term. Do I have a grammar mistake? I do. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Maybe I will redo it again. Oh my goodness. Let me put an S there.